are back on Meerwasser Live TV on Magna. No, not Magna. No,
this is what I do to him every time.
Yeah.
I gotta, it's like,
Yeah, every time you are bringing me into horrible situations. So I hope this will not be a nightmare again.
Oh, was it that bad last time?
No, not really. But we are back on Interzoo today, and we are getting the hottest news for you. And we are on Apex Neptune systems.
Yep, Neptune systems.
And
Terence
next to me is Terence from Italy.
Yeah, Fugazzi. That's Terence Fugazzi for all of you. Yes. So
Okay,
yeah, we're here at the Siche booth.
You have some new products since Magna?
Absolutely. Something.
Last time we saw your streaming pump.
Yeah, so we have the wave pump, obviously, that we had at Magna. It's been a huge success.
And you still don't tell me how is it working?
How it's working? Oh, you mean how inside? How that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the magic.
Yeah.
There's magic inside that keeps you,
it's still
taken out of
secret?
the water, goes in. Still secret. Trade secrets, man. Yes, I know. But we debuted the core and the FMM product there, which we haven't brought to market yet.
Okay.
And the reason we haven't brought them to market is because we started working on this maybe 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Dude, how close to that? You need to get it in my face here. Jesus. You're crazy.
Do you like our new 3D printed?
I do. This is so great. Look at this.
Yeah.
Man.
It's a little bit like a Molotov cocktail.
And then it's like you get a little out of control, with the guests. It's like, right there.
That's why the weight is here.
That's exactly. But no, so we were working also for a long time on a brand new Apex, right? And we decided we want to have that for around Interzoo. And so we had to, put aside a little bit those projects for a little bit of time to finish this one up. Nobody knew about it, and it's now out. I mean, we're going to be shipping it here in a few weeks.
Okay.
It's that far along.
Okay. And what's that?
Okay, so starting with what's this? No comment about mean comments, okay? About like, oh, it looks like Game Boy, like somebody else over here said.
No, this one. It was a controller on your wall.
Okay, well that's fine. All right, so this is the Apex base unit. This replaces the little horizontal black one that we have. Now,
something new from Tupperware?
Oh, man, I'm telling you. OXO, something like that, yeah. No, so this is going to replace that. We're not going to completely get rid of that product. It's going to still be called the Apex Classic, and it'll be around, but this is the newer version, the new Apex, okay?
Okay.
Some things that are different. First of all, it has Wi-Fi built in. Still has a cable if you want to use a cable, which is, we love Wi-Fi. We did a lot of stuff to make it really good. But, in places like this, an apartment building, there's lots of places where you can have Wi-Fi interference, and so we often tell people, still, if you can, plug a wire in. Also, salinity built in now. So there's a salinity port on here, which didn't exist in the Apex Classic. So that's available. New mounting system that allows you to lift it up, plug in all your cords, drop it back down, which is really handy. Still has variable speed ports so that you can integrate with Apex Ready products like the Tunza products that we have here. Did I say Tunza?
Yeah. It's a good word.
Yeah, but it's actually Siche. That was bad. You need to edit that part out. So, beep.
So I think your cooperation with Siche is now over.
Well, no, Siche still works great with our products, but but also other companies as well. So. That was pretty funny. PHORP. Also, you get with the kit now double junction probes with the new Apex kit. So they're higher quality probes. So this is the unit. It's really sexy.
Yeah, and small.
Yes, and small, and everything goes right in here. The water won't go inside because all the drip lines go down.
Okay. And you can mount it on the wall with 2 screws.
Yep, 2 screws. And then, like I said, this one doesn't have. It's hard when you don't have it mounted to the wall, obviously. But this lifts up. So now you mount it on the wall, it lifts up, you can put your cables into there, and then you can rotate it back down.
Okay.
So that's really kind of cool. So that's the base unit, and I talked about the probes. Then the really cool thing is the energy bar. Now, I know you guys in Germany, you use those crazy plugs over there and those crazy voltages, right?
What's that?
Yeah, exactly. This is the one, obviously, for the U.S. We're starting with that one because it takes a lot of work. So
it's looking like this face from Minecraft.
Yes.
Blockhead.
Yeah.
See, I'm up to speed. It looks like Blockhead, right? That's pretty funny. How do you think of that? 8 outlets of control. Okay. Lots of new features. Starting with every single one of the outlets has power and watts and amp monitoring. So for every device on this, you can tell exactly how much power it's using, and you can send alerts based on it, or you can monitor it to see what your cost is. Maybe you can reduce your cost of running your aquarium by simply reducing the temperature by 1 degree. Could cut the heating cost by half.
Yeah.
So you can play with your settings and see exactly what happens. If you have a return pump and the return pump is failing, right? Maybe it's dirty or what have you, it'll draw more current. So you might be able to see that. Lots of different things you can do with the, outlets that tell you the monitoring of the power. Another cool thing with this device is it's got a built-in 100-watt DC power supply. So all of the products that we have, like the Wave and the we talked about, and the Dose, you now can plug them directly into here.
Okay.
So what do you think you're going to get rid of if you're able to plug them directly into there? What do we get rid of? Their power brick. You don't have to have a power brick.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
One wire.
Yeah.
Super clean, right? So you have one wire coming from your pump right to here. No power cord, no power brick, nothing.
Three of them?
3 of them.
Yeah.
So the return pump, when it comes out, it will plug into there, right? Accessory ports. So these are 24-volt accessory ports. So we have a very small utility pump for ATO that we're releasing. Solenoid valve. So if you have a
refill system.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can turn it off and on, or a safety, right? Like a safety stop on a refill with a float valve, things like that. You can plug that right in there.
Great. And we come back to the 3 plugins for the pump. Is the power consumption 100
watts total.
Total.
Yes, total.
Okay.
And so that's 100 watts total on that. And then we have indicators on the front that show when any one of these are off or on. And if you put over power, over current, they'll blink.
Okay. And here you can power up your smartphone.
Not quite, no. Not USB. It looks like USB, but that's the Aquabus connection. What that actually does, if you're already an Apex owner, you have all the modules, or maybe you have different devices, it's backwards compatible.
Okay.
So all of those other things you've already bought, all plug into here.
Great.
Your breakout box, your PM2 module, your WXM module, whatever it is, it plugs directly into here.
So again, this is also available for European customers?
It will be, but not for quite some time will we have this particular one in the European, but we will make this available in Europe in a couple of months.
Okay.
So people who already have a system, already have the energy bar, they can just buy this and get a lot of the new features.
Okay.
Because there are a bunch of new features. Wi-Fi obviously is one of them. The salinity built in is another one. There's also a built-in dashboard.
Okay.
So we have Apex Fusion in the cloud, right? But the local dashboard, it's a little dated in the Apex Classic, right? So we updated it. You can see it on here. So it looks just like Apex Fusion, even though it's not Apex Fusion. So you get a lot of the same features. You can change the outlets, check the outlets, input log, all of that. It's hard to do it from here. All of the configuration, this is all happening inside the Apex over there, not going up to the cloud. So you have the option inside, outside. Lots of new wizards, ease of use. It's really cool.
Great thing.
So is the color growing on you yet? Is it growing on you yet?
Looks like a robot.
A robot from the side? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, man. I don't come and tell you how you dress looks funny, do I? Man.
So, I mean, the time is changing. There are coming a lot of products with connections, internet connections, and clouds like this from other manufacturers. Why, to end this video, why should people buy a Neptune system, Apex? What's better than the other?
So here's the thing. It's really, you get the best of both worlds. So if you want to use, our peripherals, right, like the Wave or the Dose, you're going to get a really rich feature set that's amazing feature set. But at the same time, if you don't, right, you want to use, a CJ product, or you want to use other companies' products, we have Apex Ready, where we go and make their products, they make their products work with our stuff, and we certify it. We're taking that to the next level with doing that over wireless. So if a company has a Wi-Fi driven light, let's say, okay, like Max Spec, for instance, or CJ, who's making a Wi-Fi now pump you saw over there, right? We're going to give them, it's called the Internet of Things aquariums, or IOTA, okay? They're going to get the standard from us. If they implement that in their pump, they stick their pump in that mode, it'll show up right on that dashboard. Okay. And they'll get all the functions that they need all in one place, even with disparate products. So a lot of people are coming up with, their own little way of controlling, but it's just for their own products. We want to bring everything together, because I don't like everything from one company.
Yeah, okay.
So there's more freedom for the customer.
Absolutely. Yeah, you get the freedom to choose the pieces that you want. If you happen to like our Wave power head, great, okay? If you don't, but you like our Dose, you put the Dose on there and you say, you know what? I want to use an Ecotech power head, okay? You get the WXM module, it works. Or I want to use a CJ, pump, return pump. Boom, connect it up, it works.
Okay. And we forgot one important question. Can you say something about the prices for this product?
Sure, absolutely. So the kit comes with the base unit, and this is in the United States, of course. Comes with the base unit, comes with the Energy Bar 832, comes with the 4 probes, so pH, temperature, ORP, and salinity. All of that together is $799.95.
Dollar?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
$800 basically.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
You didn't ask many questions, did you? You just the only thing he did is say, "Yeah, it looks like this," and "Oh, yeah, it looks like Tupperware." Oh, you said Tupperware. Okay.
Next time he gets a microphone.
Oh no.
You know what I think? Last time we had the interview, you kept him behind the camera. That's a good spot.
Maybe.
So,
okay.
yeah, thank you again for this video.
Yeah.
Was funny again.
It's good seeing you guys in Italy.
Yeah.
Really? Haven't seen Germans in Italy for a long time.
Maybe we have now too much Italian restaurants in Germany.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So we can get our tortellini from...
This is Italy. We're in CJ. We're in CJ land. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, CJ land.
little Italy.
This is Little Italy in the place. As I said, you don't see the Germans in Italy. See?
Yeah, okay.
Didn't get my joke again.
No, sorry. Did you go to the Mackie?
I'm going to Mackie. I'm actually speaking on aquarium controllers at Mackie. So
okay.
Absolutely, if anybody sees this out there, you want to see this product, you want to see a great presentation on why you need to have monitoring and control on your aquarium, absolutely come out.
To be honest, we didn't get any information about this fair. I don't know why, but in Germany there's not a lot of information about this fair.
About the Interzoo?
No, about the
the
thing in Rimini.
Really?
Yeah.
No informations.
Wow. You guys need to help them out with that.
Yes. we did already a post a few months ago.
Just tell them you like €100 bills only, right? Just, no checks, hard cash, euro, right?
Okay, yeah.
Tell them I sent you.
Maybe next time. We don't have time in June.
No?
No. Maybe next year.
Okay, well, oh well. Maybe you guys can get a show in Germany. Oh, that's right, we're at one.
Yeah, that would be great.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, absolutely, guys.
We see us next time in Magna.
Yeah, absolutely.
Again.
It was good seeing you.
Okay.